Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to design this site. Like I've selected the website theme and now I want to make changes in this. Then how will I do? Just simply we will go to the left side where you will see this type of option, site design. You have to click on it. When you click on this button, then here you will see site theme. There are so many themes. You can select your right one that you liked. There are so many suggestions to select, but for now I will go to the default. Here you can customize your design, color theme. You can select your colors as per your choice. You can select your color theme by clicking these suggestions, and this is the text theme. You can select your text theme from here, paragraph and heading, and this is the page background. You can select the image from these pictures, and you can add video as well. You can add some of the transactions from this option, but for now I am selecting none. So guys, these are the site design. You can design your website as per your choice by using these amazing features. So guys, this is how to design site on Wix.com. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.